We're all so excited.
Yeah. Sup, it's Sydney.
Sup, it's Swam.
It's Matthew.
It's Pam.
We're going school supply shopping. We have a unique situation where we have middle school, high school, and college all in one fam. So we're gonna show you guys the differences in what you need to get from when you're a wee little cutie baby all the way up to me, an old, irrelevant 20-year-old human being. Penn State is going back, but like not really. So I right now only have one in-person class and the rest are on Zoom. So that's really fun and fresh. So there's a few things that I would normally need that I don't need this year.
We're going to school, but we're only going every other day. They're like splitting the alphabet to limit the number of kids at school, so.
Yep. Can we get this?
Yeah, you may.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Sam, do you want the skinny markers or the fat ones?
So you think I'm skinny?
Thick boys.
These are the notebooks I always get, and there's literally 2 color options. Wait, there's not even 2 colors.
Is this just their new brand?
I hate it. No. I hate it here. What color says business sustainability class?
I was gonna say green, but that doesn't look like an option.
You know, whenever you have a class and like it just connects to a color, but they don't freaking have that color. Honestly, I'm just gonna get black because everything's online and I'm depressed.
Be humble and rule the world. Way to empower the people.
It's always interesting with these 3 jaybirds.
Don't put me in the same category as them.
Anyways, I'm gonna tell you a secret message. Sydney is crazy. What is she doing?
I can't find Scotch tape.
Bruh.
Wait, you're telling me it's called Scotch magic tape?
That's the type of tape.
It's like a little surprise inside. Ew, my teeth are yellow.
Literally everyone in elementary school had these, thought they were the sheet.
It's the definitely murdering your husband for me.
Carol Baskin.
The basic white girl for me.
It's the breaking the rule about not having your phone in middle school for me.
It's the my mom went school shopping it's the my mom went school shopping for me for me and I'm a boy for me.
What?
It's the my mom went school shopping for me. The person is a boy and your mom went school shopping because they don't want to do it, and that your mom brought back that because they thought you would like it, but it's not really, you don't like it that much.
Went to Staples, spent an astronomical amount of money, but to be fair, we're not really like fully going back to school, so school supplies are going to be the only source of happiness that's related to school, but
Also, it's not our fault that we all need our own supplies now. No sharing.
Thank you to the spicy flu. Now we're in the Target parking lot because Matthew and I want to get folders, and the Staples selection was incredibly weak, if not downright horrible.
I already got folders.
Alright, well, some of us have taste.
At this store, Pam, or our mom, I asked her if I could get these Minecraft face masks, and she said yes.
The only thing better than Minecraft merch is
This person's merch.
this is like actually so baby. Hold on.
This doesn't fit. I can't wear this one.
Smell this, actually.
Ew.
3, 2, 1. We're at Target. Let's look at some folders.
I am not feeling impressed.
Why is it spicy? All of these folders, and they all freaking suck. Disappointed, but not surprised that we didn't find folders because we just have a particular taste, and you know what? I'm not gonna freaking settle for mediocre folders, so I guess I'll just use my mediocre folders that I already have. No matter what age you are, we all need wipes. Thank you, Miss Spicy Flu. We're probably each just gonna put these in our backpacks so we can just wipe down our area, you know, for the one in-person class that I have.
They can be used, according to the packaging, to wipe down phones, AirPods, computers, ovens,
What?
refrigerators, and desks.
Ooh.
We got this giant pack of Inkjoy Gel Pens, which are the best pens in my opinion. But anyways,
I agree with his opinion.
Sam needed some colored pens for school, and I just like to have colored pens. So we got this giant pack to split.
I didn't get any pens because college is lame. Matthew and I both get these buddies. And Sam got
These pencils. They're like
the Ticonderoga ones. Black Ticonderogas hit different. Like the yellow just doesn't do it for me, so I agree the black is better. Matthew and I every year get these things. I go through these bad boys like nobody's business because these pencils right here are literally the only pencils that I can properly write with, because whenever I write something, I literally
destroy the paper.
Me and Cindy are the same way.
my hand will literally cramp up, and my pinky nail, if it's too long, will literally cut into my palm. That's how hard I write. You might be like, wow, a simple solution would be to change the way you write, but no. So that's why we get these pencils, because they have the twist like top to get more lead, and they don't break. I didn't use mechanical pencils until I got to high school, and the only reason I started using mechanical pencils is because teachers just didn't have sharpeners anymore.
The sharpener last year in my science teacher's classroom would literally just grind your pencil down and like not sharpen it.
Yeah, that's how all of them are in high school, if they even have one.
Markers! We need markers because you obviously can't share stuff, so
You got the bright colors.
yeah, no doubt.
I like to be fun and silly sometimes, so I bought an Etch-a-Sketch. I'm adding this to my collection of weird junk I carry in my backpack. Basically, in my backpack, I carry around Play-Doh every day and Uno cards because I'm a weirdo. But now I got an Etch-a-Sketch, so we're just growing the collection of fun things to do when I'm not learning
Which is...
all the time.
I snagged some tape because my apartment needs tape because I think I used it all, but also because I just need to tape my friggin' life together because school is online basically and it's kind of depressing, and
That's the tea.
We've got two folders here. Folders. This one's for music. This one's for art.
You really picked music as orange?
I know.
Yeah, I know.
And honestly, I would
I don't
pick
like
blue as
music.
art either, but that's my opinion.
A graph paper composition notebook thing, because it's for math, and I prefer graph over linen paper.
Linen?
What?
Oh, line.
Linen paper. Okay, next up I have notebooks. I have kind of a lot because I need them for like all my classes. Light blue, red, and I thought this was blue, but Sam informed me that it
It's
is purple.
purple.
Whatever, it's for physics, and I think that science is purple.
Oh my god,
anyways.
physics is totally purple!
I know, physics is totally purple anyway, so honestly it worked out.
English to me is green vibes.
I see, math is green for me.
Social studies is green for me.
Okay, I hate that. Definitely doesn't.
I also got the same type of notebook as Matthew, except I only got one of them because I really don't know like what I'm gonna be needing to take notes on. Sometimes in college you also have to get these things called course packs, and basically they're like regular notebooks but way overpriced, and they have the PowerPoint slides printed out. I think some of my classes are gonna use a course pack, so I'm just gonna wait and see if I need more just plain notebooks, or if I'm gonna have to pay $40 for a stupid thing that I can do myself.
I have this composition notebook, which is for science, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Science.
I like how I know more about her schedule and class and supply list than she does.
This is my pencil pouch. It's just the blue and black.
It's like mesh.
Yeah. Which don't wear mesh masks. It's not a good idea. Me and Matthew both got 2 packs of some filler paper, I guess it's called.
Sam and I both got highlighters. Sam just got yellow ones.
I got some expo markers. Might.
This is the planner I got. You already got your planner, right?
Yeah, I got it like 4 months ago.
Why?
Because it was on sale.
I'm really particular with planners, and even this one like isn't fully my favorite, but it has cutie little flamingos on it. I need the planners that have the little tabs, because otherwise I just can't find what month we're in, because as is I hardly know what month it is. So each month has like the full calendar view, which I literally never use, and then it has the week by week thing.
Lastly, we got some better binders, which are the better binders.
Purple binder. Just regular purple one. And then I got a shark binder.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
The last thing I got is this little to-do list, and normally I wouldn't get this, but my productivity has been very questionable recently. I'm one of those people where if I can write it down and then cross it off at the end, I feel 100 times more motivated to do it. So like maybe I'll actually do something, but kind of doubtful. It's getting hard recently, okay?
Tea.
That's everything that we got. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was actually a freaking mess because we woke up at like 8:30 in the morning to film it, and we just don't do that on a regular basis.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.
And
if you
subscribe.
And if you want this beautiful merch, link in the description.
In the bio. Also, remember, don't be stupid. That's very important.
And wear your seatbelt.
Wear your seatbelt.
Bye!
Bye.